In this video, we'll show you how to change the differential fluid on your Ram 1500. You can find the right differential fluid on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. Lift the front and rear of your vehicle, allowing your Ram 1500 to be level so that you can remove all of the fluid. For this kind of operation, it is important to always start by unscrewing the filler hole plug, because if it remains stuck after draining the fluid, the vehicle will be immobilized. Unscrew the filler hole plug using a ratchet and an 8mm Allen socket. Start the process with the ratchet and finish it off by hand. Do the same with the drain plug. Be careful on the last few turns. The fluid can squirt suddenly. You will have to anticipate this, making sure you have a fluid collector on hand. Let the fluid run out for about 10 minutes. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Clean the drain plug well. You can use a wire brush to help you. Once perfectly clean, apply Teflon tape in order to ensure a perfect seal. Then screw the plug back in. Start by hand, then finish it off using a torque wrench. You can order the differential fluid used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Now you need to add fluid back into the differential. Using an oil syringe or a bottle with a filling spout, fill until the fluid overflows from the hole, indicating that you have added enough fluid to the differential. Clean the drain plug well. Then apply Teflon tape. Now you can screw the filler cap back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Clean up the fluid that overflowed. Put your truck back on the ground. Operation complete.